I want to take this opportunity to acknowledge all of my instructors, my dear alma mater, who have been the instruments of my success. First of all, I would like to thank Almighty God who gave me the wisdom to achieve my dreams to become first placer of the board exam. The University of Cebu for providing an affordable, quality education that allowed me to discover and refine my potential to its fullest. Way back sa akong student pa ko, I am one of the national quizzers from the ME department, and I represented our university to compete with many different universities and colleges all over the country. From travel expenses to accommodation, everything was shouldered by the university. O ako nalipay na nasabihan ako ang suporta ni Atty. Go o ni Miss Candice pinaagi sa pagtawag na mo sa suha ka National ME Quiz Bowl Competition. O sa karong nga moment nga natap ako ang board examination. With this, I honestly say that all of my achievements wouldn't be possible without the unwavering support of Atty. Go and Miss Candice and the ME faculty headed by the Dr. Rodel Laban. I was motivated to pass the board exam because of the promise of Atty. Go and Miss Candice Gundanoy. And today, I am grateful to receive the promised card. May our dearest university continue to produce future top-notchers and prove that it is really getting to be a habit. Sakto today ang landing that you cannot spell success without using and for me, I cannot spell my success without you and C. Once again, thank you, University of Cebu, Atty. Go, and Miss Candice Gundanoy. All glory belongs to the Lord.
To University of Cebu, particularly to Atty. Go and Miss Candice, I was the recipient of the school's academic scholarship from senior high school until college. And it's not a reach to say that without such privilege, I would have had a harder time finishing my undergraduate studies. The school supported my education and in turn helped me achieve this wish that I'm celebrating with you today. I would also like to thank UC Manila, the entirety of College of Criminology, and our very own Dean, Ms. Borbon. They have provided me with an environment that continuously encourage and challenge my growth as a student and as a person. It is with their help that I found my ability to dream big and strive for greater heights in my academic and personal career. Salamat kaayo, University of Cebu.
But I know you have to go and live your life. And I also had to go. So I'll call you up, my friend. Tell me what we had then. You say you're doing fine. You also miss those times.
So, if ganahan mo mag-updates, use it.